guys, today I'm a little sick, shock and cold. Luckily, my body does have a fever. If I had a fever, I definitely would have gone today. Today is a special day for vacation. If I did go one day, I would have missed it, so I was forgot to go. Even though I'm sick, just I choke and cold. It's still where I went home around 10 past 4 in the afternoon, but because next Monday is my class scheduled as a ceremony officer. There is practice and the practice start at 4. Hopefully, we will be sent home earlier so we can rest a bit before practicing a ceremony officer for next Monday. That's all for my video today. It's not as long as usual because I'm feeling a little unwell. Please understand. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.